Hey, what's up fellas, it's your boy Gaz coming again with another video, and today we're taking another look at another pair of underwear, and today we're looking at King Style. Now King Style, since its formation in 1999, they believe that men's underwear deserves such as much as innovation, style, and attention to detail such as women's underwear, but we're not talking about all the pearls, diamonds, and bold. We're talking about air circulation, comfort, and separating your boys from, you know what I'm talking about. And that's why I decided to take another look at another men's pair of underwear, because as a person like me working out in the field, being out in the sun, welding and all that stuff, it could get really hot down there. So to have something like this type of innovation, comfort, and style of underwear, that's something that I need in my life. And what I like about King Style, they have so many different types of design. Like for example, this one, you could see through it. You can see how comfortable this underwear are, and it also separates your boys, and it also has this other little hole right here for the air circulation. And what I like about King Style is that they have so many different styles for you to choose from. And not just that, if you guys haven't used this type of underwear, I don't know what are you doing. If you're still wearing boxer briefs, this is something you should start looking forward to, because I asked my girl what he thinks about this underwear, and when she sees me on with this, and she really loves it. She gets like, oh, and it's just like us men, we like to see women on lingerie, they like to see us in this type of underwear too. And unfortunately, this underwear didn't fit me. They do run a little small. I did reach out to the guys, and they told them that they kind of didn't fit me, and they were kind enough to send me another 2 pairs. And I just felt bad, because they already reached out to me and sent me this 2 nice pair of underwear. So I don't want it to be mean and tell them to send me more. So what I'm gonna do, I currently losing weight again, so I'm gonna try to lose weight to fit onto these, and then do a follow-up review and let you guys know what I think about my final thoughts on this underwear, because I really love them. I like them, and they're very comfortable. And if you guys are looking to try something new and comfort, and such comfort, and breathable down there, look at this pair of underwear from King Style. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you today. I just want to do this quick video because summer's coming, and if you're looking for something to keep your boys cool down there, then it's something you should definitely check out. But anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Like always, it's your boy Gabs. Peace, and don't forget to subscribe.